Who goes there? Oh, it's you. I guess that's okay. Do you know what kind of animal I am? So you're a smart one. You're right. I am a crocodile. Did you hear that? Scary, eh? That's the sound we crocodiles make. It warns you to stay away so you don't get bitten. Ha ha ha! Did you know crocodiles have 24 sharp teeth? But we don't use them to chew. We use them to grind and crush our food. Instead of chewing, crocodiles swallow stones that grind up the food in our stomachs. Neat, eh? Do you know what color crocodiles are? That's right, we're green. Can you say crocodile? Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Make sure you come and visit next time you're at the zoo. Just make sure you stay back behind the fence. Ha ha ha.